Assalamu alaikum students, English class playgroup by the same sounds. Today we will do the matching of the same sounds. First of all, read the sounds. B, E, E, T, F. B, E, E, T, F. Okay, which sound is this? B. Look here for B. Oh yes, this is B. Make a dot and match the sound. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. This is A. Now match this sound. Now look here. Which sound is this? E. Which sound is this? E. Okay. Now look at this column. E. This is E. Now match the same sound. Which sound is this? T. Which sound is this? T. Now match this T with here top of the column. Okay. Now look here. Which sound is this? Which sound is this? Okay. Now match. Now we will revise the vocabulary as well as over here. Which sound is this? T. Look here. T, tree. Which sound is this? E. E, ink. Okay. Which sound is this? Flower. Which sound is this? A. Apple. Which sound is this? B. B. Butterfly. Okay. Have you done with your matching? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.